Hey guys, just before this video starts, just like to say a massive thank you to our first lot of patrons that have jumped on board. You guys are legends and we massively appreciate your support, so good on you. Now enjoy.
Have you ever seen me looking more like a woman in your life?
No, it reminds me that I did actually marry a woman. It's quite nice.
We're off to fill up our gas canisters. We've got 4, one's still got a bit of gas in it, so we're going to take 2 today, and then when we empty the one we've got, we'll take those 2 as well, so we've got 4 gas canisters for when we set off. We look super cool.
That's my model walk. It's the best you're gonna get.
One of our boat jobs for this afternoon is to clean up all of the chrome, because, let's zoom in on a gross bit, that's what it looks like at the moment. Rusty. So we'll clean it up so it looks like this. We'll rinse it and then we will polish it, and all of the chrome will look really shiny and nice. Just to say, I did all of the other bits, and the only reason that I've given Liam the job to do the wheel is because he's supposed to be changing the catch on this, and he's failing and he gets annoyed when he fails at things, so I'm taking over trying to fix that. Oh, would you look at that, Liam? I did it straight away.
I loosened it.
You didn't.
I did.
You did, absolutely didn't.
I did.
I loosened it.
My massive guns loosened it. Well, that was uncalled for.
Liam did his first ever bit of boat electrics by fitting our new chart plotter and wind indicator. He'd never really done anything to do with electrics before, so it took him a while to work out what went where, but he managed it. We decided to leave the boat for a good leg stretch and walked 5 miles up to Mirador de la Concepción and back. We got a good view of the marina and surrounding area. The walk up and back made me wonder how anyone could live up these roads. It's such a trek to walk to a shop, and there's not a chance you'd catch me parking my car on these steep hills. I guess everyone just uses public transport. It's better and cheaper than in the UK. We walked past some lovely architecture, as well as fields of avocado trees and orange trees.
You're a bit fat for that now.
Do you want to throw an overboard? Right. Let's go scrub.
What's it like?
Too bad actually. Alright, here we go, first glimpse. To be honest, I expected worse. Pretty good. Get in. There's fish in here. You're a marine biologist. Come and look at the fish.
The next day, we did a bit more exploring and walked to a castle that was built in the 1700s to defend from pirates and was later converted into a stage.
This little solar panel charges our engine starter battery, and when we got back to Sareda, one of the wires had broken, so Liam is currently having a go at trying to fix it.
Having a go is very much the word. I'm just winging it. No idea if it's going to work. Well, it's broken anyway, so can't do anything else.
How are we even going to know if you've actually fixed it?
I don't know, I thought exactly the same thing.
With the majority of the boat jobs done, we decided to explore further afield. We've hired a car today so that we can drive up to the volcano. We did look at doing it by public transport, but it was not very expensive at all to hire a car, and it's so much easier to do it ourselves. So here we are at the top of the volcano. That peak in the distance is Tenerife. This area is one of the most important sources for year-round water. It's been intensively used since pre-Hispanic times, and these are the remains of some shelters built.
For 10,000 steps goal for the day.
Woohoo!
Winning.
Where has this dog come from? Just chilling here. Do they have wild dogs in La Palma?
We'd pulled over to check a map. I got out to read it and the dog followed.
Hello, little dog. It's so quiet up here. Don't even want to talk loudly. Absolute silence. So peaceful.
We drove back down and decided to do another short hike and walk to Cubo de Galga.
places like this, where all you can hear is the birds and it smells like green.
If I might like it because of the green, it's far too sweaty for me. Absolutely dripping. You might not be able to see it now, I've cooled down a bit because we stopped and had a break, but it is humid.
Thanks for watching. Next time we do a bit more exploring and then finally cast off the lines.